Hello friends, today we will learn module in Python programming. Modules are similar like dictionaries. If certain codes required frequently in your work, then better encapsulate them into a Python module. This is also known as package. Every module may contain functions and classes. It has .py extension. By using import keyword followed by module name, it can be imported to any Python program. Now we will create a module named mymodule.py. So notepad mymodule.py, it will create a mymodule.py. Though I am already created and written the code for this mymodule.py, then it will show the code itself. So in this mymodule.py, I have created a function named fun, and in this function body I am printing a string named hello fun. And secondly, I am created a class named myClass in this mymodule.py, and this myClass has a attribute x which has a value of 5. So in a detail, this mymodule.py has a function named fun and has a class named myClass. Now we can see here in the default path, we have our module name mymodule.py. If we just open it, then we can see the two things here, the function which I have already written, and second the myClass. And in the same default path, I am opening a IPython notebook. Now this untitled2 is in the same path where the mymodule.py is present. Now to import this mymodule.py, we just write the import keyword and followed by mymodule. Here .py extension is not required. You just need to write the name of your module. That means import mymodule. Then press shift enter. Now if you want to see what are the different function and class present in mymodule, we just need to write dir in bracket mymodule. Then this will show the detail of class and function present in mymodule. These class and functions are predefined, and this myClass is a user defined class and this function is a user defined function. If you want to call this function fun and myClass class from this mymodule, then we just need to use the dot operator. So mymodule dot your function name fun, it will call the function and it will return the print statement which is already written, that means hello fun. Similarly, if you want to call the class, or if you want to create an object out of the class myClass which is present in mymodule, then I can simply write x is the object of myClass, and this myClass is present in mymodule dot, what is the name of class? myClass. So this will create a object of myClass. And this object, we know this object has a attribute x, and if we want to call this value x, then x dot, this will show another x. That means it will show the variable x, and if I press this and press shift enter, this will show the value of the attribute x which is present in myClass.